So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on your computer name and then click on action and then scan hardware changes. And now it should appear in this list. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then you're going to click on action and then add legacy hardware. And now once this comes up, you're going to click on next. Now you're going to click on next again. See if that works for you. If not, you're going to click on next again. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down till we find sound, video, and game controllers. You're going to click on this and then click on next. And now on the left hand side where it says manufacturer, you're going to scroll down till we find Microsoft. You're going to click on Microsoft, and now this will appear on the right side. And then once you're on this, you could try to install two different things. So the first one is going to be this one, A2DP driver installation. You're going to click on this and then click on next and install it. If that doesn't work, then you're going to come back to here. You're going to scroll down and then install Microsoft Bluetooth A2DP source. So you could just replay the video to see which ones that you can install. So this one, Bluetooth A2DP, and this one. So first when we're trying out this one, A2DP driver installation, I'm going to click on it and then click on next, and then click on next again, which is now going to install it, and then click on finish. Now you're going to see a Bluetooth appeared right here. If it didn't, then you're going to try to install the other one.